Welcome to Unbox the Box. Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be showing you guys how to set up your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra right the first time, so you don't have to reset it and do it all over again. Once you take your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra out of the box and power it on, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will pretty much take you through the whole setup by itself and will help you along the way by giving you on-screen directions. When Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is fully powered on, you will see a "Let's Go" phrase on the screen in English or another language depending on which country you purchased your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in, but the setup language could be changed if needed. Below the "Let's Go" phrase and language, you will see a blue arrow button. Once you click the blue arrow button, Note 20 Ultra will take you to your next step, which is just some information that you should check out, like terms and conditions, privacy policy, sending of diagnostic data, and information linking. I will not go through the details in video in depth since this video is for demonstrational purposes only, but I strongly encourage you to review all of the information so you understand what are you actually agreeing to. Once you review all of the information, you can then press "I have read and agree to all of the above" and then click next button. In the next step, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will ask you to choose your Wi-Fi network, because once you are connected to your Wi-Fi, setting up Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra becomes even easier. And some part of the setup is done automatically by Note 20 Ultra itself, like your time and date. Once you choose your network and click next, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will automatically check for updates, which is very convenient because you don't have to worry whether or not your tablet is up to date once you set it up. Once Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will be done with all the updates, it will take you to the next step, which is copy your apps and data. This section of a setup could be very useful, especially for the users that wish to transfer their apps and data from another device. When you click next, it will remind you that you need your old device. After that, it will ask you what's your old device, whether it's Galaxy/Android or Apple iPhone or iPad. Since I don't need to transfer anything from any of my old devices, I'm just going to click Don't Copy. Once you finalize copying your apps and data, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will let you know that all of your data will be added to your Note 20 Ultra. Or if you press Don't Copy, just like in my case, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will take you to the next step, which is where you have to sign in to your Google account. Do not be afraid to provide your email address or sign into your Google account. This is simply done so you can download apps from App Store, back up your apps to Google, and activate your device protection. Once you sign in, you will be prompted with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and Privacy Policy, which you didn't see in the video because I wanted to skip this step, so this video is as short and as straightforward as possible so it can be of a quick help during your setup. But once you sign in, I encourage you guys to review Google Play Terms of Service, and Privacy Policy so you understand what you are agreeing to. Guys, smash that like button if so far the setup video has been helpful, and if you'd like to support the channel in any way, please check out all the affiliate links in the description below. Also, comment down below if you have any questions in regards to the setup so far. After you're done signing into Google and press next, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will then proceed to Google Services port. And this is where you can select whether or not you want to let Google collect your location data, allow scanning for Wi-Fi networks, send usage and diagnostic data, and install updates and apps. Once you click on accept, next step is to select how you want to protect your Note 20 Ultra from others. And the Note 20 Ultra will give you options like face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN, or password. After you're done with protect your phone part, the last and final step of your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra setup will be signing into your Samsung account. Some of you may wonder, why do I need Samsung account if I already have Google account and Google Play Store? Basically, it's like an iCloud account for Apple devices and makes Samsung owners' life easier. It's up to you whether or not you want to make one, but here are some benefits that you will have by registering for Samsung account. You will automatically register your warranty with Samsung. You can access your Samsung account and check on your warranty status and get product support from Samsung Members app. You can log in to your Samsung account on Samsung's website and track your phone or tablet if it goes missing using GPS, and also factory reset your phone remotely, all from the web browser. You will also be able to use Samsung's ecosystem of devices such as the Samsung smartwatches, Samsung smart home devices, and control them remotely from the phone. And you will also be able to use the Samsung Health app, which saves your health data over the cloud. And you will have many more perks, as you can see. Guys, smash that like button if you think it's worth registering for Samsung account, and comment down below if you don't and let us know why. Also, if you'd like to support our channel, please check out all of our affiliate links in the description below. Once you're done signing up for Samsung account or decide to skip, just like in my case, then Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will let you know that your setup is all done. And when you click finish, that's when you will be finished with your setup, and Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will take you to your home screen. Thank you very much for watching my video on how to set up Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers who's looking for help with their devices. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe because it's free. YouTube doesn't charge any money for that, but it helps Unbox the Box get more opportunities to get new tech for you guys. Also, don't forget to smash the bell button to be notified for future awesome, helpful content.